In this segment, I'm going to show you how fast you're able to build a course. Now, this is not the kind of course that you want to build to go out there and sell, because what we're going to do is we're going to leverage other people's content. And we're able to do that because content's being shared on YouTube or Vimeo, or, it's created so that it can be shared and embedded in other places. So you definitely don't want to sell other people's content. But what we're able to do is we're able to build a course. I mean, in a matter of minutes without having to do anything. And we're going to create the lead capture page and everything using EverFunnels. Okay, so it's pretty awesome. And I definitely think that you guys are going to have a light bulb moment. So let's do it. Okay, so in this video, we're going to come back down to the membership we made. Here is our Cooking World membership. And I'm going to go inside of it. And you see that we have our 2 courses that we've gone and built out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a course instantly that I can use for lead generation, and then I can go and sell these 2 courses to my leads. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here. I'm going to create a new course again. This time we're going to call it the Top 10 Restaurant Recipes. Okay? And so for my course description, we're going to do the same thing, right? The top 10 restaurant recipes. I should probably spell that right. Okay, so let me grab it up here too. That's a hard word to spell. Okay, there we go. I could go ahead and choose the instructor. So I'll click on Add Image. We'll upload the image, and it's on my desktop. There it is right there. So we got this one that looks like recipes. It's right here. I'm going to say Insert. There you go. We're going to follow the same exact steps. I'm not going to load a logo. I'm not going to worry about this. We can come over here and we could do cooking for the category. And for this, we can do top 10 recipes. Okay, there's my tag. I'm going to click save. And now we just went and built a course. But now what we're going to do is we're going to automatically populate our course with lessons. So this is a pro feature, but I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click on this button. So this is a pro feature inside of EverLesson, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this button here, and now I can either search YouTube or Vimeo. So I'm going to search YouTube for the top 10 restaurant recipes, and we'll go ahead and pull in 20 videos. Here we go. So it's going to go check YouTube, so the top 10 Mexican food dishes, restaurant style. So I probably don't want to do top 10. I want to do like famous, yeah, there we go. Like famous dishes like that, okay? So just odd recipes that we're able to give away. And I'm going to say Insert Selected Videos. And now EverLesson just went and created a whole entire course for us, okay? So if I come over here and if I click the play button, you can see exactly what it just did. It went and pulled all that off YouTube. It brought in the recipe. It built the menus. It's got the related categories down below. Everything is here. But now what we need to do is we need to create a page so that we can go and give this away. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to EverFunnels. I'll give you a sneak peek. And this time we're going to come over here to member sign up page. So what we can do is we can come over here to step number 2, and you'll learn about this. This is where you set up your price. And we've already got one that's already waiting for us. That happens automatically when we create our course. Okay, now we're not going to sell it. I don't want you to sell this. I just want you to use it for lead gen. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here, click the edit button, and here's a detail of what we're doing. But we're going to come over here to payment type, and this one we're going to do for free. So I'm going to choose free, and now we'll come back over here to our dashboard, and this time we'll go ahead and choose that product. Now we're going to click on these little triangle deals here, and it's going to open up this section right here. See this one that says opt-in page URL? Watch this. I'm going to click on the edit button, and this page has automatically been created for us. I haven't even done anything yet, right? Get instant access to the top 10 restaurant recipes. There you go. That's good enough, right? I don't need to really change this at all, but I can. One thing I might change is this button. It would probably be better if it was a green color. So I'll come down here, and I'll make it like a green color. And there you go. That's how fast we're able to do this. And so it's already linked to our course and everything. So I just want to recap for you really quick. We went and created a whole entire course. We created the sign up page, and we could take this sign up page and we can go out there online. We could post it in our groups. We could post it on Facebook. We can run solo ads, whatever it is we want to do. And we can go out there and we can bring in leads that we can then go and sell into our other courses. And by the way, if you want this to be a video back there, you can do that as well. Now, I think that's a very, very powerful feature that you're going to have with EverLesson Pro. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully now you have a better idea of just how powerful EverLesson is and just how out of the box this platform is, right? This platform is doing things that is unreal compared to any other platform out there. Some of the biggest platforms in the world don't even have half the features that I showed you. Now, I only showed you about a quarter of what EverLesson can do. There's so many more things it can do, but we need to make sure that you have the basics down first, which are those simple steps, okay? Now, you guys also need to know that the support behind this platform is top-notch. We have a very, very active Facebook group. We have a Q&A session every single week. We have all these amazing segments inside of our group, 24/7 support desk. You're definitely in the right place at the right time, and this is the platform for you, regardless of your niche or your marketplace. Now, there's actually a second video that's going to accompany this one. And in that video, I'm going to walk you through the whole entire EverFunnels module. And it's there where you're going to set up your free member sign-up page, your sales pages. You're even going to set up a whole entire webinar funnel, and we're going to write all the emails for you. So make sure you check out that video. And on that note, I'll see you inside the group. Take care.